Hello, and welcome to the second video of a two-part series about modalities, techniques, and treatment planning. This video provides an example of an RMT using a step-by-step process to decide that reflexology techniques and pressure points are suitable to include in a massage therapy treatment plan. In this case, the RMT practices in a multidisciplinary wellness clinic and recently completed reflexology training. During an appointment with a new client, the RMT determined that the client was seeking massage therapy to help with chronic pain in the lower legs and feet. The RMT wondered whether certain techniques and pressure points from their recent reflexology training might be helpful to this client's treatment plan. Knowing that reflexology did not include controlled acts, the RMT decided to use a step-by-step process to decide whether it would be suitable to include reflexology techniques and pressure points into this massage therapy treatment plan. As the first step, the RMT reflected on whether certain techniques and pressure points from reflexology would fit within the scope of practice. The RMT determined that reflexology techniques and pressure points could be used as long as they were only used to assess and treat soft tissues and joints of the lower legs and feet for the purposes of addressing physical function and pain. Next, the RMT carefully reviewed all outcomes and requirements in each standard of practice to confirm that it would be possible to use reflexology techniques and pressure points in a way that met all expectations. The RMT then concluded that it was appropriate to use certain reflexology techniques and pressure points in the client's massage therapy treatment plan when used to assess and treat soft tissues and joints for the purposes of addressing physical function and pain, and when used in a way that meets all expectations in the standards of practice. The RMT also felt confident that they had the knowledge and skills needed to use the reflexology techniques and pressure points safely and effectively, and confirmed that their use would be covered under their professional liability insurance plan. To view another example of an RMT using this step-by-step process to make decisions about treatment planning, please refer to the first video of this series. For more information about modalities, techniques, and treatment planning, please refer to the guidance published on CMTO's website.